welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to see how to set up an MTN 4G MiFi. So as you can see, this is the MTN 4G MiFi now. This is the MTN 4G MiFi, as you can see. So we're going to unbox it. So this is it. This is the SIM. So this is the MiFi. Comes with the manual. There's a manual, very extensive manual. You can see MTN broadband 4G MiFi quick startup guide. So this is the MiFi. So to open it, as you can see, it comes with a rechargeable Lion battery. This is where you can insert the SIM. That's a micro SIM, and you can see where the key here is inserted. You can see the key there. That's the key you can use to log in. So to unbox it, so we are going to put it back now. Another thing is that there are different ways you can charge the MiFi. This is the charging port. There are different ways it can be charged. You can charge it by your laptop, or you can charge it directly by charger. So this is a socket. To charge it, you charge it directly with your phone. So this is the cord. Put it. Plug it here. The way you can charge it. Once the charging is on, the indicator light, you see the indicator light, it will be blinking. So that's the way you can charge it. So now we are going to move to the next aspect of this video, which is to set up this MiFi to see how it works. Don't forget, you can equally charge it with your laptop too. That's another way you can charge it. You just plug, as it is now, instead of plugging it, charging it by your charger, you just plug it directly to your laptop cord. Laptop here. Start charging. So we're going to move next to the next stage of this video and see how we can set it up on our laptop. So we're going to see how you can insert the SIM. To insert the SIM, go here. So these are the SIM is inserted. You can see the location of how it can be installed. So after this installation, after we inserted the SIM, we're now going to proceed and set it up in the next part of this video. So we're now going to proceed and set up the MiFi. We click here now. As you can see, this is it. I'm going to try and connect it. So we now have to enter the password network key. You'll find it at the back of the so click next. As you can see, it's now connected. You can see the MiFi here. It's now connected. The MiFi is now connected. As you can see, it's now connected. So we're going to set up. We're now going to see how you can set up the dashboard. To set up the dashboard, you come here and type in the MTN IP key 1 92 dash 168 dash 0 dash 1. Click enter. As you can see, MTN broadband MiFi. The default password is admin. You can change default password is admin. Click it here. So as you can see, this is it. So you can see the battery level here is 89%. You can see the level of users is click to 2 users, and the SIM capacity. You can see the network strength. So over here you can see the level of data that has been used. Over here you click advanced settings. You can see here you can go through a quick setup of the advanced settings if you want to do that. The quick setting is a information of the MiFi. You can click statistics, the level of total data usage uploaded, current connection, and this. You can set, if you want to set data limit, your usage here, you can do that. You set it here and click apply. Over here you can check SMS, level SMS that we have received. Then the SIM SMS settings. USD here you can actually check the data level on the SIM. So let's do that now. *323 *4# and click send. So as you can see, this is the data, is a bonus on this particular line that we are using. So that's how you can check your data balance on using the USSD code on this dashboard, on this MTN dashboard. So other settings is the network settings here. Another thing that is not really of much importance, Wi-Fi settings and all. Not much of importance. The most important thing is go back home to click home. So you can disconnect here. You can check balance here. Prepare and balance. You can load. So you can check over here too. You can also just click here to check data balance too. So you can see. So that's how you can actually set up the MTN broadband 4G MiFi. So over here you can see the number of users indicated here, 2 people connected. So that's how you can set up your MTN broadband 4G MiFi. So thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and share the video, and comment if you have any question. You can let us know. So thank you so much for watching.